Warrior Gamer.
A beautiful masanya chontanta. So guys, we are back at the camp. We are ready to cook. Was it not cook? Get the fruit ready for the salad. So we're starting off with the dragon fruit. Oh, look at that! You see that? It's purple. Okay, so you have the. Oh my God! Look at this. That's fresh dragon fruit. Okay, so I'm cutting dragon fruit. I'm cutting off the pink because, well, we don't need it. So
We're going in like this.
no, we're gonna try it first, and then we're gonna, if it's delicious.
Guys. Put in the comments how does it taste?
Tastes sweet, because I bet it would. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait to cut all the fruit, and then we can put it in the bowl. So guys, now we'll be putting the dragon fruit in the bowl. First, I gotta try it. Good. Wow. Okay.
Can I taste?
Okay, take this little spark because you don't need all these spark for it. It's a little. Wait, oh, what's it? Got also cut this part. So. Tastes good, right? It doesn't have such a big taste to it, right? Right, Mama? Yeah, it doesn't have a big taste, right?
Good actually. Look.
So put this.
Guys, what did you find in the comments? How did it taste like?
If you guess tastes like a little bit sweet, a little bit no taste, you are correct, and you will now be notified in our videos. So guys, we are about to watch some street varieties. So we're gonna start biggest with the best. So guys, now we're gonna cut off the tails of the strawberry so nobody eats it. Look at that. Indo giddy pouch. Last one. Shall we? Now we got the strawberries. Now, how should we cut? Oh, I know. Start cutting nice, kind of thick layers, and then put that down. Make it nice. Now we are finished cutting the strawberry holes, and now we're gonna put it in a pot with the dragon fruit. You gotta put it nice and you gotta make sure it doesn't fully mix with the dragon fruit, because if it does, it just won't look good and won't taste good. So we need to make sure it doesn't get into the dragon fruit. So yeah. So here we go. So this is the progress. And yeah, guys, we'll see you at the next fruit. So guys, we got an apple, and now we're gonna wash it all. I wash it nicely so all the bacteria, bad stuff just gets off of it. Just gotta scrub it. Okay, we got it. Now let's go to the table. So guys, we're about to cut it. Okay, look at that. Guys, see you when I cut out the seeds. Got a bunch of cut apples now. We're just gonna cut in the middle. Got it. Woohoo! Look at those. And voila! Look at this good stuff. Now let's put it in there. Wow, shambanya, montanya, sikarenya, pasanya, tosanya. And guys, see you at the next fruit. I gotta try it. It's good. Wow.